Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Cloud Pro. In this video, I'm going to give presentation about Terraform. And guys, for Terraform introduction, I divided into two videos, that is introduction 1 and introduction 2. Before entering into Terraform, in Terraform introduction, we will see some basics, that is infrastructures and what is infrastructure as a code and what are the tools we will use in this infrastructure as a code. So basically here my agenda I gave. So in second video we will see what is Terraform and its uses. Okay, here what is infrastructure? Infrastructure is a components required to operate and manage enterprises environment. Infrastructure can be deployed within a cloud computing system or within an organization's own facilities. Example, simply either it's a physically or virtually you are deploying some resources like storage, hardware, softwares, or some kind of OS. It's my either Linux or Windows, and networking components like a router in your environments. And also you are managing and operating that environment by using that components. It is known as an infrastructure. So guys, I hope you understand this. Okay, here types of infrastructures are there. There is a three types of infrastructure, that is a traditional infrastructures, cloud infrastructures, and hyper converged infrastructure. I don't want to go in depth of these types because it's taken too long to cover all the types and infrastructures, so I'm just skipping. Next slide is what is infrastructure as a code. Okay, here what is infrastructure as a code? Infrastructure as a code is called IAC. We call as a IAC. It is to managing and provisioning of infrastructure through code instead of using a manual process to configure devices or systems. So for example, in previous slide we saw that everything we are deploying like storage or networking components or some kind of hardware and softwares OS, we are deploying manually in our environment. So without manual process we are doing some automation process here by using some codes, by using some third party tools. This is called as infrastructure as a code. So here that only I mentioned here. Infrastructure as a code is a managing and provisioning of infrastructure through code instead of using a manual process to configure devices or a system. It is a practical way to manage your operational environment, calling for you to construct your infrastructure just as you do for all enterprises application using code. That only here everything we are doing automatically without manual process. Okay, and next slide. Okay, in this infrastructure as a code tools, there's a lot of tools available in market, but Terraform is one of the most popular tool in the market. It is suitable for all the cloud providers, not only for AWS and Azure and also for Google. It is suitable for DigitalOcean also, Alibaba, like that. What are the cloud providers? It is suitable for the cloud providers. And also here I mentioned this one table column, that is a Chef, Puppet, Ansible. Just have a look for this different. This is also automation tool, but first three tools or configuration management tools, and second cloud for cloud formations, and Terraform is a orchestration tools, type. Compared to infrastructure, this is a mutable and this is a immutable. CloudFormation and Terraform are immutable, and for cloud, AWS is a CloudFormation only it will use. For example, if you want to use CloudFormations, it is you can access AWS cloud only, AWS services only. You can't access Azure cloud provider like that. So next video we will see what is Terraform and uses, and if possible I will show what is Terraform state and remote files, what is Terraform templates, these things. Okay, thank you.